Hello guys, welcome back po sa aking munting channel, Bisaya Ako Vlog. For today's videos guys is mag-celebrate ako ng aking birthday. I'm already 52 years old. So guys, samahan niyo ako guys. At ito lang ang handa ko guys sa aking birthday. Yes. Guys. Natin guys, yan. Kakanta muna ako guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ang wish ko sa birthday ko guys is sana bigyan pa ako ng lakas na pangatawan. Sana ang wish ko para sa aking mga anak na sana bigyan pa sila ng puting kalusugan at sana mas tupad ang kanilang mga pangarap na sana magkasundo silang magkakapatid. Yun lang guys. At sa akin guys, sana marami pang birthday dumating sa aking buhay. Tanda na ako guys. So guys, sing ulit ako guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I blow the candle. Ito lang ako guys. Cupcake lang guys. By the way guys, kahapon pang birthday ko guys, June 10. Kaso lang, wala akong cupcake. Kasi, hindi ako nakalabas kahapon guys. So ngayon lang guys, ayan guys. Bumili rin ako ng kandila guys. Pang birthday guys. Ayan. Dalawa ito guys. Isa lang ang ko guys, kainin ko guys. Ito lang kasi walang budget guys. Yung sahod ko padala ko lahat sa Pilipinas guys. So guys, blow the candle. Thank you for watching. Kanunong cupcake guys, Sarap ng cupcake guys.